100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Drop a Style TV, where everything is about a look. Today I'm showing you guys how I do my own tooth jewels. Before we get into this video, if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button because it only takes one drop to make a wave. Also, follow me on my socials, and let's get into it. So if you do not know what tooth jewelry is, it is basically bedazzling your teeth. So basically you take a small crystal and you would bond it or glue it to your tooth. Tooth jewelry, it takes your smile from average to friggin' bad like that so quick. They have a bunch of different colors. It is semi-permanent the way that I'm doing it today. They're so small that I don't even know if people are going to notice them, and then like literally almost 10 people a day ask me,
"Is that a diamond on your tooth?"
I'm just like, yeah girl, yeah. I love it. It's one of my favorite things about me. I just love tooth jewelry, like it's just so dope to me. Okay, I love it so much that I actually started making my own kits, and you can buy them via Babyface Cosmetics. I am not going to be using one or demoing one because I just want to keep everything sterile, especially in this time. I will put the steps to purchasing them in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into the tools that you're going to need for this look. The tools I'll be using today are Swarovski crystals, cotton swabs, a resin pencil, cosmetic adhesive, and a hand cream / lotion polish substitute. Or you can purchase a glass smile kit from Babyface Cosmetics. Before you start gluing these jewels to your teeth, you want to make sure that you are analyzing your bite. Okay, if you can see, I have a very big overbite. Whatever, Smile Direct Club, hit me up. This is just becoming a whole plug video now. But I had a tooth jewel right here before, and it was the most uncomfortable thing ever because my teeth just kept hitting it, and I felt like I was gonna crack a tooth, chip a tooth, or like something bad was gonna happen. So make sure that you're placing your jewel in a spot that is gonna be comfortable and there's not gonna be any other contact. Step 1, you want to lay out all of your tools and utensils on a flat surface that will catch them if you accidentally drop them. Keep in mind that these crystals are very small. I will try to show you the true size of these crystals. They look like they're pretty big on your teeth, but they're actually very small. If you drop it, you will lose it. So to save your time and effort and energy, please, please, please get something that's going to catch your crystals. Step 2, I like to brush my teeth. This step is optional, but just know that the cleaner your teeth are, the drier your teeth are, the longer your jewel is going to stick. Step 3, with the rosin pencil, pick up the crystal and apply glue. You only need a little bit because this will take you a long way. You do not want the glue to build up around the rest of your tooth. You just want it to lie beneath the crystal. Step 4, with the other hand, take a cotton swab and dry the tooth you will be applying the crystal to. Step 5, carefully place the crystal in the position you desire. Gently press the crystal to your tooth for 30 seconds to secure it in place. Okay. That was a fail. I'm gonna try again because honestly, I feel like the bond went bad. Done this again. Bitch. So, of course, because I wanted to make this video for y'all, the glue went bad, of course. If you don't store it in the right temperature, it'll just mess up. It'll just mess up. The bond will not work. Like, it'll just be this gel type of freaking substance that has no kind of stick to it. So it looks like that's what I got today. I'm going to get one of them dang face Tory face mask skincare refrigerator / heaters. I'm gonna get one of them hoes. Amazon, hit me up. Send me one of them dang fridge things for my face, girl. And we'll be cool. I'll be the plug. For real, for real. All right. I'm gonna try this one more time. and hopefully it works. I'm gonna say a prayer. Let's give this one more try. That's some bullshit. Did y'all see that? I held it under that whole time and it's just gonna slip right off. All right. Well, I guess that's it, folks. No go. So I'm not gonna keep wasting my jewels because, bruh, these things are valuable and this glue is not working. This glue is not with me today. So I'm not gonna waste another jewel, but y'all get the point, right? What are the odds? Like, I got 2 back-to-back fail videos. I'm on a roll. It's not, this is, oh wow. Okay, I guess this is just a thing. Like, I'm just gonna have a failure of a channel. Like, all of my videos are just gonna be fails, okay? Let's just make it a thing at this point, because, like, I'm doing it on accident. Like, I'm a natural, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful enough. I gave y'all the steps. I couldn't demonstrate it for you because, of course, my glue wasn't working. But y'all see me on Instagram. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I've had these for a good minute. I love these hoes. I love them. If this worked, but y'all still just want to see me actually get it right, just comment or DM me or whatever, and I'll try to redo this. And I'll try to do it with my own kit because it's trusty. Give this a big thumbs up if you liked it. A big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this of me failing tragically. Also, you know, follow me on my socials, and also
my cash strap is open.
Yeah, it's dropped. Till next time, two's up.